Hey everybody, welcome back, and in this video I will teach you how to edit ElevenLabs Voice. So let's just begin. First you need to head up to text to speech section, and in here you can see we have this text prompt area where we can enter our text, of course. So what I suggest is you can also head over to your studio, and in here you have this option to edit your audio personally. As you can see, you can add your pauses, you can add your sound effects, you can even add videos, you can add breaks, and this is going to be helping you to edit your audio into the desired thing or how it should be sounding. Now, by the way, if you want to unlock all of these features, you can head over to the link in the description below to get flat 50% off, and you will have your perfectly edited audio due to a professional plan. So I hope this helps, and thank you so much for watching.